Are you ready to deploy your React and Laravel project but feeling a bit lost? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to simplify the process for you. I totally get it. Deploying a project can feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling both a Laravel backend and a React frontend. But don't worry, we will break it down step by step. Let's dive into the specific questions you might have. One user recently asked, how do I use the build files from my React project with Laravel? They also wanted to know about React routing and the correct deployment process. Sound familiar? Let's tackle these questions together. So what's the issue here? When you build your React project, you get those important files like app.js and app.css. The challenge is integrating these with your Laravel application and ensuring everything works seamlessly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your deployment process even smoother. To begin deploying the React and Laravel project, the user should first move the built React files into the Laravel public directory. This is where Laravel serves static files. Next, the user needs to set up the routes in Laravel to serve the React application. This involves modifying the Laravel routes file to return the main React index file for any route that isn't an API route. Now, the user should ensure that the React application can handle routing correctly. This means using React Router to manage navigation within the app without reloading the page. Finally, to deploy the application, the user should choose a hosting service that supports both Laravel and React. Services like DigitalOcean or Heroku are popular choices. Fun fact, did you know that the first web applications were built using just HTML and JavaScript? Look how far we've come with frameworks like React and Laravel. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. To deploy your React and Laravel project, the user suggests several steps to run the app locally. First, download the code from Git. Then, run Composer install to set up Laravel dependencies. Next, install the necessary node packages by running npm install. If you encounter issues with CrossM, you may need to make it work globally. This involves removing the node modules folder and installing CrossM globally. You can choose to remove CrossEnv from your package.json, but it's optional. After that, run npm install with the no bin links option, followed by npm run dev to start the development server. Finally, start the Laravel server by executing php artisan serve. This will get your application up and running. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach to deploying your React and Laravel project involves using a bash script. First, update your system and install Nginx and Node.js. Then, clone your project repository and build your React app using npm. Next, create a configuration file for Nginx to serve your React app. Specify the server name, root directory, and index file. After that, link this configuration to the site's enabled directory. Finally, test your Nginx configuration and restart the server. You can then access your application by navigating to your server's IP address in a web browser. Here's that pro tip I promised. Always test your deployment in a staging environment before going live. This can save you from unexpected surprises. And there you have it. You now know how to deploy your React and Laravel project successfully. Remember, testing is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.